Welcome back, everyone. Have you ever wondered what simple addition to your nighttime routine could set the stage for a beautiful tomorrow? Well, stay tuned because today we're diving into 14 powerful reasons why you should use castor oil before bed. You might just find that this age-old remedy is exactly what you've been missing. Picture this. You drift off to sleep, and as you rest, your skin hydrates, your digestion improves, and your hair becomes shinier, all thanks to a little magic in a bottle known as castor oil. Intrigued? Let's explore why incorporating this versatile oil into your nightly routine could change your life. Before we dive into the benefits, let's quickly cover what castor oil is. Extracted from the seeds of the castor bean plant, it's a thick, vegetable oil loaded with ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid offers numerous healing properties, making castor oil a potent remedy for various health and beauty concerns. Reason number 1, skin moisturizer. Castor oil is a fantastic skin moisturizer. Due to its thick emollient texture, it locks in moisture, making it ideal for dry skin. Plus, it's perfect for those stubborn dry patches. Unlike many commercial moisturizers that may contain synthetic ingredients, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its skin-loving properties. Imagine your skin soaking in all that hydration while you sleep. This is especially beneficial for people with dry or flaky skin, as it helps to heal and restore your skin's natural moisture levels. By applying it before bed, you allow the nutrients to soak in overnight, resulting in soft, supple skin by morning, giving you a fresh start to your day. Plus, regular use can enhance your overall skin texture, making it look plump and youthful. Reason number 2, anti-aging benefits. Coming in at number 2, it fights signs of aging. Castor oil encourages collagen production, which can help plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. By incorporating it into your nightly routine, you give your skin a chance to regenerate while you sleep. Who wouldn't want to wake up looking fresh and youthful? Reason number 3, promotes hair health. Number 3 is a big one. Castor oil promotes hair health. Massaging it into your scalp nourishes your hair follicles and can help with growth, thickness, and shine. One of its key components, ricinoleic acid, has moisturizing properties that help keep the scalp hydrated and reduce dryness. This hydration can prevent flakiness and irritation, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Additionally, castor oil may improve blood circulation in the scalp, which can nourish hair follicles and potentially lead to stronger, healthier hair. Many people also use it to address issues like dandruff and a dry scalp, as its antimicrobial properties can help combat fungal infections. While some claim that regular use of castor oil can lead to faster hair growth, scientific evidence supporting this is limited. However, its ability to moisturize and nourish the scalp makes it a valuable addition to hair care routines for those looking to enhance their hair's overall health and appearance. Apply it before bed and let it work its magic overnight. Reason number 4, reduces scars and stretch marks. Castor oil can help reduce the visibility of scars and stretch marks. With its rich composition, it aids in skin regeneration and healing. When applied topically, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, promoting the regeneration of damaged tissues and encouraging the growth of new, healthy cells. By applying it regularly before bed, you may notice scars becoming less prominent over time while also preventing the formation of new ones. Its moisturizing properties keep the skin supple and elastic, further contributing to its effectiveness in reducing these common skin concerns. Remember, patience is key here, but the results are definitely worth it. Reason number 5, relieves constipation. Number 5 is a natural laxative. If you're struggling with constipation, taking a tablespoon of castor oil before bed can help stimulate digestion, promoting a healthy and regular bowel movement. As it works overnight, you can wake up feeling lighter and refreshed. Just be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before trying this method. Reason number 6, soothes pain and inflammation. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain, arthritis, or sore muscles after a workout, massaging castor oil into the affected area before bed can provide relief and promote healing. Just remember to use a warm compress for added benefits. Reason number 7, condition eyelashes. Now, it helps condition your eyelashes. If you dream of longer, thicker lashes, look no further than castor oil. Gently brushing a small amount along your lash line each night can strengthen and promote growth, giving you those stunning lashes you desire. Just a tiny dab is all you need. Reason number 8, balances skin oil production. Castor oil helps balance oil production in the skin. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, don't be afraid to use castor oil. It provides moisture without clogging pores and can regulate sebum production. By integrating it into your nighttime routine, you can wake up to clearer, more balanced skin. Reason number 9, nourishes cuticles and nails. Castor oil is fantastic for your nails and cuticles. Applying castor oil to your cuticles before bed can help hydrate and strengthen them, preventing breakage and hangnails. Your nails will become stronger and shinier, perfect for those who love a polished look. Reason number 10, stress reduction and relaxation. Don't underestimate the power of relaxation. The act of massaging castor oil into your skin can be incredibly soothing. Incorporating it into a bedtime self-care routine can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. Add some essential oils and you've got a calming spa experience right at home. Reason number 11, supports immune function. Castor oil supports immune function. When massaged into the skin, it can aid in lymphatic drainage, helping your body detoxify as you sleep. The oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. When applied topically or taken orally, castor oil can help stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in removing waste and toxins from the body. This helps to keep the immune system functioning optimally, making it better equipped to fight off infections and illnesses. Additionally, castor oil is rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune response. By incorporating castor oil into your daily routine, you can help boost your body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. Who wouldn't want that boost while they rest? Reason number 12, helps treat acne. Castor oil is an excellent natural remedy for treating acne. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it effective in reducing redness, swelling, and the appearance of pimples. Additionally, the oil's high concentration of omega-6 fatty acids helps to regulate oil production and maintain a healthy skin balance. By incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, either as a spot treatment or a face mask, you can help clear up existing acne and prevent future breakouts, leaving your skin smoother, clearer, and more radiant. By applying it as part of your nighttime skincare routine, you give your skin a chance to heal and clear up, allowing you to wake up with a fresher complexion. Reason number 13, improves sleep quality. Castor oil can improve your sleep quality. The relaxing effects of massaging castor oil into the skin can promote a calming atmosphere before bedtime. If you struggle with stress or anxiety, taking a moment for this self-care ritual can prepare your mind for rest, helping you drift off into deeper, more restorative sleep. You'll wake up feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle the day ahead. And finally, reason number 14, supports hair growth and scalp health. Castor oil is known for its ability to support hair growth and promote scalp health. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil not only moisturizes the scalp but also helps to improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Healthier circulation means that your hair follicles receive vital nutrients and oxygen, which can stimulate growth and bolster hair strength. In addition, castor oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can help keep the scalp free from dandruff and other conditions that can inhibit hair growth. By incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine, you can massage it gently into your scalp. This not only enhances your hair's overall health, but can also be a relaxing pre-sleep ritual, helping you unwind and reduce stress. Over time, you'll likely see thicker, shinier hair with less breakage, making it a fantastic addition to your nighttime regimen. And there you have it, 14 powerful reasons to consider using castor oil before bed. From skin hydration to hair health, stress relief, and immune support, this simple oil packs a punch. So why not start tonight? Incorporate just a teaspoon into your routine and feel the difference for yourself. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Have you tried castor oil before? Let us know in the comments what benefits you've experienced. Sleep tight, and we'll see you in the next video. We have another value-packed video on what happens if you start drinking olive oil every night before bed. I think you're going to find it helpful. You can check it out here.